Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I can get from land to paddleboard much more quickly and with a lot less effort thanks to this electric paddleboard pump from Crew Axel. If I had to manually pump up my paddleboard, I know that I would be totally exhausted by the end of it. It's also really tricky to get the correct PSI for my paddleboard if I were to do it manually, but this electric pump takes all of the guesswork out of that. All I have to do is use the plus and minus buttons on the pump and set the pump to precisely the PSI that I want. It will automatically shut off on its own when it reaches the right PSI level. This feature gives me so much peace of mind because not only do I know that I'm not at risk of overfilling my paddleboard, I know that I won't underfill it either. When I'm all finished with my paddleboard fun, it is also much easier to completely deflate my paddleboard so that I can fold it up and put it away until the next excursion with it. It has a really convenient handle on the top that can easily fold up or fold down. This pump is rechargeable and I can either plug it into the wall to charge it, or it also comes with a really convenient and handy car charger. The car charging cord is permanently attached to it and you can store it in this really handy compartment on the top with a little door on it. I can foresee this Crew Axel pump coming in handy in so many situations, not only for inflating and deflating my paddleboard, but really for anything that I need to inflate and deflate. And that's my point of view.